Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see down here in the volume, my friend, the volume that red one here is very low. So there is not a lot of people here they selling, that just few market makers there, they try to play the game of them. So there is nothing yet confirmed as we are going to go down more than that or we are going to go upward. There is just the market makers, they doing the trap of them. So be aware of all those things, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that, and you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it, and please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, my friend, now the daily candle is finished. As you see it here, it's finished with red. As I tell it to you before, be careful about all those things, my friend. I told you, don't enter long yet. And as you see it, my friend, it become the half of that engulfing candle. So by the way, if you want to learn how to use those candles, as I tell it to you, and I will repeat it every time, down in the first comment, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course if you want it, my friend. But that's not our topic now. As you see down here in the volume, my friend, the volume that red one here is very low. So there is not a lot of people here they selling, that just few market makers there, they try to play the game of them. So there is nothing yet confirmed as we are going to go down more than that or we are going to go upward. There is just the market makers, they doing the trap of them. So be aware of all those things, my friend. And as you see here, our level here, it's still holding and it's still stronger, my friend. And by the way, also we haven't touched here the trend line. So maybe it's going to touch the trend line like that. Then after that, it's going to go upward. But everything about the weekly candle, my friend, let's wait and see how it's going to finish and what it's going to do, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? And another thing. As you see it here, my friend, our indicator, it's still here orange. And as I tell it to you before, and I told you here what we got. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And here down, my friend, as you see it down here, that normal RSI, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Now here it's still at the 50s, between 50 and 45. That some conditions me how I using the RSI. By the way, if you want it, you can find the way how I use it in our Bitcoin trading course or investing course. You're going to find it in the description of this video if you want to go to it. So, as you see, my friend, we are still here in the half. We hasn't touched yet the top. But another thing here in the RSI, if you see it, my friend, let me show it to you. If you see from that level here, that one here, what you got. If we came here like that and we extend like that, a trend line, like that, what you see, my friend, it's being touched here. Now it came to that trend line. Maybe from that level it need to come down. So there is nothing confirmed yet. It need to break up, my friend. It need to break the trend line. We've been holding all the time. Till now there is no confirmation as we are going to change the trend line upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. By the way, if you want to learn how also using the RSI, as I tell it to you, my friend, in the description of this video, there is a course to our highly recommended course, how to invest in Bitcoin. That course is going to teach you everything about Bitcoin, my friend, even how to open a trading or a brokerage account. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there. As you see, my friend, here we are in 4 hours, and in 4 hours we used to have here, if you remember, that channel like that. That's what we said before, if you remember, and you've been someone who following us for some time. Also, we used to have here that channel like that. And what we said the price, it's break it here. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you and for everyone to understand what else we're talking about. As you see, my friend, it's been broken here. It came upward the price tail here. It came down. It give you here that engulfing candle. Then it came here. It couldn't break up. Then it went down. Now it touching that zone of us again. As I told you before, I told you all those things before. But if you are someone who just came now, it's good to repeat it. I told you before, also we got here, that level here. I told you that level here, my friend, it needs to be broken by a candle like that. If it hasn't broken, there is no buying yet, my friend. Also, we're still in a downtrend. Maybe that one is just a fake breakout, my friend. Everything is too clear. And even the volume down here, it's showing the volume is getting lower and lower and lower. We don't know when it's going to be the time it's going to come a big volume like that. Everything is too clear. Get the picture, my friend. If you don't come down and smash the like button, my friend, help us and help the channel to growing up more. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. As you see here, my friend, that our indicator, as you see it here, also we're still here in the orange area. So we are in the middle. We haven't come down to the oversold area for you to buy. When it's going to come down, that's the right time for you to buy, my friend. Now there is no buying, no selling, my friend. Now just wait and look. And by the way, that week in Wednesday is going to come very, very big news at the world. Is going to come the inflation about USA. So be aware of that one, my friend. Be aware of it at Wednesday, I think 12:30 GMT time. So combine it with your local time. So make a close attention at that one, my friend. Be careful about those things coming, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's continue our analysis, my friend. Now let's go into lower time frames, my friend, to show you more. As you see here, my friend, we are in lower time frames. We used to have here the triangle of Oz, and it's still there. Till now, it's still valid. We don't know if it's getting broke or not yet, but it's still valid for us. The price here, it tried to give you here a hand, a shoulder here, as you see it, but it hasn't break the top of that neck. So everything about that level I showed you before, my friend. Let me zoom it and show you more about those things. As you see, my friend, here, what you see in here, that the first shoulder, the head, and here, the second shoulder, my friend. The line of the neck is here, my friend. It hasn't been broken yet. So till it's being broken, that's the right time for you to enter. If it don't even thinking of to enter, my friend. Stay tuned with it and look very, very, very close to it. Because if it don't getting broke, don't enter long yet. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And as I told you before, if you remember, I told you us here in that zone, we got here a level. If it doesn't being broken, also we are not going to enter, my friend. That level, it came from here. As you see it, all that time it's been touching. It touch here, 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 and here. And it's been touched yesterday. But now we don't got power to come again to touch it, my friend. So we need to be careful at it. What's going to happen, my friend? And as you see here down in the volume, what you see here, my friend? The volume down is going down and down and down and down. So be careful about those things, my friend. And another thing, if you see here down in the RSI, my friend, there is no touching overbought like here or oversold like here. Also, we stay here in the middle between the two levels of overbought and oversold. So if it doesn't touch the up, we are not going to enter short. If it doesn't enter the down, we are not going to enter long. Everything in front of you, my friend. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. You get the picture? If you done, go down and smash the like and help us. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. And by the way, if you want and you're wondering what else we're talking about and all those things, down below in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. The course, it costs $200 in Udemy. If you're using the couple link down, you're going to get a discount of 85%, my friend. The course is going to cost you only $13, my friend. It's only $3, my friend. Go to it and join it. The course is going to teach you everything you're thinking of about trading. how to draw support resistance and how to trade them, how to draw supply and demand and how to trade them, how to read candlesticks and how to trade them, how to read Heiken Ashi and how to trade them, how to draw trend lines and how to trade them, on all those things. And there is more than $6,000 books including in that course. Only the books they worth a fortune, my friend. Go to them and learn very, very good information, my friend. Not fakes online they sell it to you by $1,000 or $2,000. That course is highly recommended, not by us, it's by Udemy, my friend. Everything is too clear? So, let's continue our lesson, my friend. So I told you it's need the price to come down here to the oversold area or to go upward to the overbought area, my friend. Till now there is no buying, no selling, my friend. Also still in the middle of the range, my friend. Everything is too clear, and let me to analyze for you our indicator. As you see here, my friend, our indicator, what it's showing us here, as you see it here, it enter here at the orange area. So our indicator here is it at the oversold area. So you need to be careful about those things, my friend. Maybe from here it will go in upward again to the overbought area. But that one take a long down here, the oversold area as you see it here. But now is it at the oversold area, my friend? Maybe it's the right time to enter long, but as I tell it to you before, don't enter long unless if the price breaking that level here. If it doesn't break it by a candle or anything like that, don't enter, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture, my friend? So, that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.